Hello, everyone. I woke up this morning and I thought to myself, what is it that I can do to contribute on the platforms that form a community for me, especially during this COVID climate? For a profession, I speak for a living. I deliver training in confidence, public speaking, and mental health. And so it just occurred to me, why not share tips from my experience, things that will be of value to other people, things that may help get them through the next few weeks. And the first thing that occurred to me is the word puzzle. So I have a question for you. Do you engage in solving puzzles? And when I say puzzles, it could be a number of things. It could range from jigsaw puzzles to code breakers to crosswords. And it just got me thinking, because I have been using puzzles a lot lately as a mindfulness activity, just something where I can just be present with a particular activity that's engaging me mentally, that's exercising my brain, and that I can complete, so I feel a sense of accomplishment. So that was the first thing that occurred to me today. Now, why am I speaking about puzzles rather than things that are deep? I want to share from a very simple and authentic place in my life experience. So I don't want any of my videos to be polished, to be edited. I just want to speak to you as it occurs to me. So if there is anybody out there who may need just 5 minutes or 10 minutes of me time, I just wanted to recommend doing a puzzle. And if that's not your thing, doodling is another thing that is very, very helpful. There is colouring. There are adult colouring books out there and fun colouring pencils. My daughter engages in colouring. And I just hope that this simple, basic tip will help somebody today. But I can tell you, if you're not careful, you can become addicted. Take care.